Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how you can create a Roblox account. For that, you need to first go to any browser. Once you open the browser, then on the top you can see the search bar. Just type roblox.com. Once you are done with typing roblox.com, you need to press the enter in your keyboard, and this is what the sign up page looks like. If you have already an account, then simply you can click on the login option here on the top right. But if you don't have any account, then you need to fill out this all credential here, your birthday, username, password and gender. It is optional here. Once you are done with filling all this credential, then you need to click on the sign up option. Then once you click on the sign up option, here you will be shown whether you need to save your password or don't want to save. If you don't want to save, then you need to click on never, or if you want, then click on save. This is how you will create your Roblox account. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you.